My name is Aisha Blagolash. I'm a Senior Director and Head of Regulatory Intelligence at Syneos Health. I work on creating a new regulatory intelligence solution for Syneos Health. Syneos Health is a fully integrated leading biopharmaceutical solution organization built to accelerate customer success. Strengthening the regulatory intelligence system we have in Syneos, it's been key for us. We wanted to standardize and automate the regulatory intelligence processes and connect our expertise in one centralized solution. Efficiency and increased collaboration across the organization, reduction in non-compliance, increased customer experience, a Google-like interface allowing instant access to country and region-specific regulatory requirements, reduction in regulatory non-compliance, and ultimately increased customer experience. We did an extensive research on the market to understand what's available in terms of regulatory intelligence solution, and in particular for CRO company. And so Appian is a vendor that we already knew. They have built other solutions for us, so we're confident that they are the right vendor to build custom solutions for what regulatory intelligence needs for Syneos are. The regulatory intelligence system that we create for Syneos is going to combine not only the database or those country-specific regulatory requirements, but also all the processes associated with managing the regulatory intelligence. Artificial intelligence is going to play, and it already plays, a key role within the regulatory intelligence, and I definitely see it especially being used in the global surveillance process we have. So any future release we have is going to be focusing on incorporating AI within the system. One of the main challenges was creating this unique experience for the end user when they're looking for regulatory requirements within the database. What we developed with the help of Appian, the regulatory intelligence system that we're going to have for Syneos, it's going to be best in class. It's connecting all the processes that are related to regulatory intelligence. We are not going to have just a database. We're going to have all the processes you need to do to feed this database. The regulatory intelligence system we built with Appian, I refer to being release 1. There's so much more that we can and we want to do with the regulatory intelligence system in Syneos Health. And ultimately, Syneos Health is here to help our sponsors. And so we want to offer this solution to our sponsors to help with their regulatory intelligence needs.